Alright guys, I'm going to walk you through how to add in opportunities that are not necessarily scheduled with specific volunteer counts and time slots. So things like dress up days, or if you forgot to add in something like you went to an event and you forgot to actually sign up for it, or if you brought donated items. Those are all the kind of things that I'm talking about when I say these kind of opportunities that don't have a specific registration. So if you will go under opportunities, you can put find opportunities, and you'll notice that these specific categories are actually in blue on this page instead of this macaroni orange color. So things like I forgot to sign up in X2Vol, Spirit Dress Up Days, or donated items. So those are the three we have right now. Let's say you forgot to sign up. Or actually, let's do a dress up day. So let's come down here and say I dressed up on Thursday, red, white, and blue, go America. We're going to go ahead and click Add to My Opportunities. And it's not going to do much. You're not going to feel like you've actually accomplished anything, but now that button is no longer available to press. So you're going to come back to Dashboard. Right in the middle under Common Tasks, you're going to go to Add Hours. And then under Community and Campus Opportunities, you'll see that Spirit Dress Up Days has appeared for you. All you're going to do now is hit this green Add Hours button. It'll take you to the hour logging window, and it says Add Hours, Spirit Dress Up Day, just to make sure that you are actually in the right area. You are going to click on what date it was. So we're going to say yesterday was the 30th. You get 15 minutes for a dress-up day, and in case you forget that, it's listed up here at the top of the opportunity. You're going to put in a little reflection. Alright, so we've put our reflection in. We're going to come down. Our next option is where do we want to apply these hours to? You guys are going to click General Hours, because this dress-up day is specific to the entire council, not to just one committee. So we're going to say General Hours. We have to click our oath right here. And the last thing that you're going to do, and this is very important to me, is you are going to type in which dress-up day it was. So we're going to say red, white, and blue. And you can put football in case we're doing something else, like maybe a winter spirit dress up. If you have a picture, it would be really, really awesome of you to attach it. You just come here and click Add Files. And then you would attach a picture of yourself. We'll pick this one. So now I've got this picture uploaded, and it would ideally be a selfie or a picture someone took of me in my outfit so that I have some proof that I have actually dressed up for the event, because as you know, some people will just go in there and put whatever, and we really like to have proof. So now that you've got all of these things done, you come down to the bottom and hit Submit. It says Claim Successful, which is exactly what we want to see, and then it'll shoot over to the administrative side so that I can approve it for you guys. All right, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.